flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Here's this feeling lying.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. So today we'll be making vegetable noodles and I'll be using the Indomie table instant noodle. Yeah, so delicious. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So here I'm going to add vegetable oil. Then I'm going to fry my onion for some minutes. Fry the onion for some minutes before going in with my peppers. Mind you, I'd already diced the green and red pepper I'll be using. So going in with the green pepper first, then the red pepper. So I'm going to fry that for about 30 seconds to a minute. So I'm going to fry that for 30 seconds to a minute before adding my sausage and liver. The sausage and liver had already been boiled, fried and diced. So I'll be stirring that together and fry it for about a minute also.
In your eyes I see myself, I'm falling. Make it make sense, it must be the temptation.
Yeah, I'll go with my carrot. I've diced my carrot too. Go in with it, stir everything together. Then add the green beans and the sweet corn. So spring onion will be going in last because it gets soft easily.
You're a trip giving me hope and solution, hope and solution. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real.
So I'm going to stir everything together for about a minute also, then put them in a sieve before I boil my noodles. So here I'm adding water to the frying pan. You can use the same frying pan you used and you can boil it separately, but I just like the oil in the noodles, that's why I'm boiling it like this. Then after adding the noodles in the water, I'm going to season it with the instant seasoning. Then I'll leave it to boil until it is soft and tender. Then I'll go in with the vegetables, stir everything together until it's incorporated, and then the noodles is ready to be served. You can enjoy it with chicken, turkey or any side of your choice. See you guys later. Bye.